Vociferous is an adjective used to describe someone or a group of people who express their feelings, opinions, or beliefs in a loud and strong way. You'll often hear this word used when people are passionate about something they really want to make sure is heard. We generally use this word in reference to protest, demonstrations, and heated debates. When we say someone is vociferous, we are talking about an emphatic, loud, and even vehement expression of opinion. The word carries a sense of intensity, where the person or a group is not just expressing their views, but they are doing so in a way that can be forceful, assertive, and sometimes downright disruptive. It's often used in a formal or rhetorical discussion to describe someone who refuses to be ignored. Think of vociferous in terms of its synonyms: clamorous and strident. Let's watch a video to understand this word better.
Is my hamburger medium well?
Yes.
Dill slices, not sweet?
Yes.
Individual relish packets?
Yes.
Onion rings?
Yes.
Extra breading?
I asked.
What did they say?
No.
Did you protest?
Yes.
Vociferously?
No.
Well, then what took you so long?
Let me paraphrase the usage here. Sheldon asks Leonard, "Did you protest vociferously?" So, what Sheldon is asking whether Leonard expressed his objections in a forceful, vocal, and angry manner. Now, let's shift our focus to the different forms of the word. Vociferous is most often used as an adjective describing loud and forceful expression. Its noun form vociferousness refers to the state of being vociferous, while the adverb vociferously tells us how someone expresses themselves in an emphatic manner. If you want to use its verb, you can use to vociferate, meaning to cry or protest vehemently. Let's see these words in action now. She was vociferous in her opposition to the new policy. The crowd grew more vociferous as the speaker continued to evade their questions. He was a vociferous advocate for animal rights. They argued vociferously over the proposed changes to the law. The critic vociferously condemned the film for its portrayal of historical events. To summarize, vociferous is an adjective that describes someone who expresses their feelings, opinions, or beliefs loudly and strongly, often in a passionate and forceful manner. If someone is vociferous, they aren't just making a point, they're making sure everyone hears it. And remember, the noun form is vociferousness, the adverb is vociferously, and if you want to use the verb, consider to vociferate.